In this video, we'll discuss the project Personal Information Storage and To-Do List. This is a simple project written in Visual Basic. I'll show you the project, how it works, and later I'll explain you like how we can remodify or redesign the whole project. So here these are the options are provided in this project. One is telephone directory, email, website, reminder, to-do list. Fine. So in telephone directory, you can enter all the names and their mobile number. For example, you have your friends or family members you want to store, or if it's a business, then you have customers you want to store all the customer details. We can use this page or this form to store all these informations. So here you can take one called as Ravi, profession, so it's a student. So what is the mobile number? 901234 901234, right? So now click add button, so that will be added here. You can add any number of people like Arish 35. Now in case if you don't want the one is already entered, we can also remove that. Okay, so for example, here is the dummy data we don't want, so double click, so we can remove this. So now that data is gone. So any data you don't want, you need to double click to remove this. Also when I click add, probably you need to clear this. Okay, that I'll show you like how to clear the data, then how to change the background colors, and how you can remodify the form. So next one is the email. So same way as you want to store all the email IDs of your friends, we can store it here. So Ravi, a student. So what is the email ID? So that is ravi@gmail.com. And also you can find here we are in the profession. So when I press the tab key, it should come to email, but it straight away go to add actually. So then let's see that how to do that one. That also I'll explain you once this demo is over. Next one is a website. So almost same. So all the website names you can store here. So let's say google.co.in. So search website. And also we provided a category, general, education, news, shopping. So this is under general and click add. And now if you don't want this, you can click, you can remove this. Then you can write highblix.com. So this is a project website. So come to under education, click. So like that, what are the important website? You can store all the websites here. Therefore next time you open or you want to work with that website, it will be easier. Okay, you can copy that and then you go to browser. There you can paste this and then click enter. So you'll open the corresponding website. So here is the right click to copy. You can also have option to delete it. So next is the reminder. So you want to write down the reminders. This is the date and what you want to do. So let us delete this. I don't want this. Fine. Today 15th, so December. So morning. I want to prepare seminar document. Okay, so this for tomorrow, then I can see calendar here. I can so just put like prepare seminar document. Okay, so this can add. So you have to do this particular work on this day. So probably after that, probably you have to go to college. Go to college. So all the work, what reminder you want, so you can write down here. So you'll get all the reminders. Or you want a reminder, pay mobile bill. Fine. So when you come over here, so if let's say close and then if you click reminder, so it'll open the reminder. Now this work is over. Okay, this work is over. So therefore double click and then delete it. So therefore your reminder, that particular work over, and then you can remove this. You have paid the bill, you can delete it. So only one is left, prepare seminar document. Now you have to prepare the document. Once it's over, you can delete this. So next is a to-do list. What are the work you want to do and what time you want to do. So let's say this again on 16th morning at 9 o'clock. So you have to write send an email to university, right? And this old one we don't want, we can delete it off. Then you can see that, so time 2 o'clock, join John for lunch, right? So we added one more. So we can store personal information, and also you can make reminders and also make the to-do list. So once this work is over, probably you can take it out or remove that one. Now let's understand like how this project is written and how to work with this particular project. So here you can see this is a welcome screen. So here you can see welcome screen. So this we added a picture here, okay? So you want to make changes to this picture, probably you can go to paint. So take a paint and redraw the different picture. So you want to give some title for this. So called as so change the color here, paint actually. So personal diary. So personal diary is your project name now. So it's quite big. So I make it as 110, 100. Right. So fine, it's done. Now it's a personal diary. You can save this file, save as, and then you can save it as a PNG. And where you want to save, that's important. Let's say I want to save it in E drive. Give the name. So screen, welcome screen. Okay, let's say welcome is the file name. So now you want to call it here, okay? So instead of this image, you want to call the welcome. For that, what you have to do is you have to go to background image. Here is the background image. You browse, import, and you have to go to E drive and you select a welcome and click OK. Okay, now you can see that your picture is changed. Now if I run this, so you have a personal diary. So instead of that picture, the new picture will appear. For this, what you're supposed to do is you have to change the picture, and this time this is the background image. You have to change the background image. So next you come back to main form. So here you can see that there is no color, background color. Presently it is a gray color. To change this, select the form, go to properties, go to back color, browse here, choose the custom color, and then you can apply the color. And now you have all the controls. So click and drag to select all the controls. I want to change the font. To change the font, you have to select the font here. And here is Vardhana. You can choose what font you want. So I'll use this one, block. Then there is a font size here. You can increase to 25. So you can see that it's increased now. You want to change the color. That is a 4 color. Okay. So you can come back here and then you can change the color. Okay, blue colors. You want something different colors, you can always place what color you want. Done. So now I want to change the background color of the button. So to change the background color, you have to go to back color, and here is a color. You can choose the color. Now you can see that a little bit modified. Now we have a background color, and then all the buttons are in color. Same way form also. You go to any form, you just go to background color. So which color you want, you can choose the color. So I want this color. So this button you want different color, then you choose this and then add up the color to this. and 4 color is the text color. Okay, so now you can see that, and this font make it as a bold, right? That's how we can make changes to the form. And one more, when they press the tab key, cursor should go 1 to 1. So for that you have to check out tab index, a property called as a tab index property. So here it is. So when the cursor come, it should be come here, therefore 0, and it should go to this place is 1, and here it should go, this is 2. From there here it should go, so therefore it is a 4, and then it should come over here, so it's 5. Right. So this is what we done for email. Let us check it out. So I'll just minimize this. You have a welcome screen, then you have options, click email. So you can see that now cursor, now type name Vinay, profession student, email ID vinay11@gmail.com. So you can see that the cursor moves in order. So from this to this, this to add button. Now I can close this project. Now you can exit the project. So what is the code you need to write? Okay, so if you go to main form, when I click on the button, okay, so you can see buttons can be taken from this place called as a toolbox. Here is a toolbox, you can take the buttons. So here is the button. So you can take button and drag on screen, so you'll get the button. For that you need to write the text and then you have to color it. When you click this button, you want to go show the telephone dot show. So it is a telephone dot show. So this form will be opened. Now if I want to change this background color, I just go to back color, then choose the color, what color you want. So here when I click the add button, it should be saved. So this is the code you need to write to save the record. So text box 1 is equal to empty, please enter necessary details. That means without entering the name, you can't save this record. So name is compulsory, therefore we return this particular code. Then we check whether this name is already present or not. So here you can see customer name. This is a phone table. So you can see that there is a phone table here, where customer name is equal to text box 1.text. If it's already present, we'll give the message this record is already present. Else we're going to insert the record here. This is to insert the record, and this is to close the record, and then you can display record. Display record is important. So what are the names already saved in this table? So if you right click and say show table data, you can able to see the data here. So these are the data which are already there in the table that we want to bring to the grid. To bring to the grid, you need to write this code. Here select star from phone tab, order by customer name. So this is the SQL data adapter, this is the data set. So we'll read from the data adapter and we will transfer to the data set, and the data set will be transferred to the DG, that is the data grid. So this is actually called as a data grid. The data will come and will be displayed here. So then you have close button to close this. Me.close is a code to close the form. So same way we written in every page. So same kind of code, but only table name changes, and then if there are any number of columns or changes, then you need to change the width of the columns. And then if you want to delete it, when you double click on the content, here you can see that send cell content double click. When you double click, we'll ask, are you want to delete this record? If you say yes, then we say delete from reminder tab, where r number is equal to a particular number. That record will be deleted with this command. So execute query, delete from reminder tab, where r number is equal to pick a var, and then we are executing this, and cmd1.execute non-query will delete that record, and the record will go from the table. Fine. So this is a concept you need to implement to redesign the project. So now your project looks little better than the previous one. So it's colorful now. Telephone directory. Now it's have colors, and the background color is applied. We can also add pictures too. So you can select some pictures and all we can add. So please try for pictures and try to do this project yourself. Let me know what you think. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And also what you feel like or what you're looking for, you please write in the comment box. Thank you.